Many people ask me if they should purchase cyber insurance. Before you consider getting cyber insurance, be sure you can answer these questions accurately. First, do you have a current and complete list of all your assets to include hardware, software, proprietary software that you have developed either for your company's use or for a client? A list of all the critical websites to include usernames and passwords. Second, do you know where all this property physically exists? Third, have you put a price on replacing these assets? This includes the cost of replacing firewalls, switches, server racks, and wiring. In the event of a catastrophic occurrence like a fire, your company may not have enough liability insurance to replace all your infrastructure, let alone enough cyber insurance to cover the recovery or recreation of proprietary databases and client data. Fourth, can you honestly answer what safeguards you have in place? Answering falsely or finding out after a cyber attack that a safeguard never existed, was never installed, or was installed incorrectly can void a claim. Lastly, keep in mind that some cyber insurance will not pay if the cyber attack has a name, such as WannaCry or Petya, and you have not applied the recommended fix or patch. I'm Michael Barker, Cybersecurity Project Manager at the Georgia Manufacturing Extension Partnership. Our team can assist you with assessing your cybersecurity posture and the feasibility of obtaining cyber insurance. Contact us for more information about our cybersecurity services for manufacturers.